So I'm going to give you a quick tour of Google's tool Jamboard. It's a relatively new tool, so don't worry if you haven't used it yet. I'm new to it myself. So within Jamboard here, you'll notice at the top that there is a frame bar. So this is one Jamboard, and if I click to the right, you'll notice there is another page as well. So there are multiple workspaces that you can answer and add ideas to this page. You can click to the right and continue adding. As you continue clicking to the right, it will just continue to add new pages. I want to give you a rundown of this toolbar along the left here so that you have an idea of the different tools that you have to be able to add ideas to this Jamboard. So first, at the very top here, we have a marker. And you can see there are different tool types that you can write with, and you can also change colors. So I can use that to draw a heart or maybe even point to certain things. The next tool you have on the toolbar is the eraser. So I can erase anything I've drawn on here. The third tool is selecting. So if I click on that, I can use that to click and drag anything on the Jamboard itself. The fourth icon here is the sticky note. This is likely how you're going to add new content and ideas. So I can click to add a new sticky note, I can change the color up top, and I can add my thoughts to a new post-it. I'll click Save to be able to add this to the Jamboard. One thing that's been happening recently in Jamboard, they have a glitch, so if you see that it's posted to the Jamboard itself, you can click Cancel here so it doesn't have you adding another sticky note. The next tool you can use is the image. And from within here, you can upload images, you can search for things. So I'll search for frog. I'm going to add this little guy to our Jamboard and select. And with images, you can rotate them, or you can just click from the corner and drag to make it smaller or bigger. And finally, the last tool on the toolbar here is a laser. So this might be for if I'm working with my CLT or maybe a group of students and I want to point something out to the group, such as this frog's eye. So that's a really quick breakdown of the different tools in Jamboard. I hope you have a lot of fun with this new tool.